Hello, and welcome to your Google Certified Educator mini lesson of this week. We are going to get started with Google Forms, which you may be familiar with, but I need you to know how to make a quiz on the spot, ready to go. So let's imagine today I need to review for a test in my IELCE construction class. So I'm going to give them a review. It's automatically going to put that name when I start typing either here or here. It will name it correctly, and I will say IELCE construction review. So we have a test coming up. I want to send out a review to my students, and we can do it just like this. So what we're going to do first is we're going to add a question. And I've already got my question prepared. Which of the following is an example of a hand tool? And I will say a saw. That is electric. A screwdriver. And a stuffed animal. This, of course, is not the rigor of this class, but it'll give you an idea. So that would be our multiple choice question. Now, you have short answer questions that you can require. They would have to spell correctly, so be careful. Paragraph will allow you to grade. So if you want an essay, that's excellent. Check boxes, drop down, many types of questions that you can put. You can even require a name. For my reviews, I just want to know that they got the answers correctly. So I have it set up like this. But if I use just this, it's not going to grade for me. So I do need to tell it that I want it to be a quiz. So it tells them the correct answers. So let's go over to settings. We're going to mark quizzes, and we need to turn that on. So it's going to grade. Okay, so once it does that, I've got it set up so it's going to show the answers after the submission, and that's automatic. That's great for a review, okay? So we're gonna save that. As well, there is one thing in the general settings that you need to be aware of, is that if you're in the Hawkeye community, it's automatically going to restrict users to the Hawkeye community. So we don't want that because the students would not be able to view. So we wanna save that, and we are ready to go. So let's see what the students will see. They have this IELCE construction, and if you notice, we haven't told it yet what the correct answers are, so it's not able to score. So what we need to do is we need to go back to our review, and now appears, because we've turned on quiz, answer key. So you just need to select the correct answer. Then you can also tell it, I like to give 1 point per question, because then it shows the total number of points. So you're done at that point, and if you click on preview, now it will grade, and when we click view score, it's going to tell them, oh, this is the correct answer. So great job. So that's the idea. And with those types of reviews, it makes it very simple to send out all the questions to the students and have them work directly from the phone. It's very mobile friendly. To do that, to send them out, you just click send. You're going to take the link. I like to take the shortened version of the link, which is here. You just click shorten link, copy, and you roll that out to your students. I send it directly in my WhatsApp group, and that would go out to all of my students who are ready to receive it and log on to do the quiz. And they would be ready to go. That is just your basic structure of how to do a quiz in Google Forms. And next week, we will go more in depth of how to add some bells and whistles. Okay, until next week, I'll see you soon. Goodbye.